Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a Minecraft server. So what you guys will need is you guys will need a computer that's already set up, and you need to get Linux server. That's what I'm using, and yeah, so we need to SSH into it. So if you get Linux server, it's going to give you an option to install OpenSSH. So once you do that and you set everything up, then you want to do SSH in the command prompt, and then the name of it, and then the IP address of the server, so 192.168.1.92 for me. Might be different for you. Type your password in. Then you have this, so I'm just going to clear. We're just going to sudo su, so that way we're super user. Can't spell. Sudo su, super user, and then the password again. Okay, so now that we're super user. So we actually want to go to, I have a file open already with all the commands we need. So I'm going to put the commands in the description. You guys can copy and paste from there, obviously. If I can remember how to, yeah, okay. I'm just going to do the update. I will be back when this is done updating. That was fast. Okay. Now we need to install Java, so copy that. So we want to make a directory called MinecraftServer, and then you want to cd into that. Then you want to run the command wget to get the Minecraft jar file. Then I have a command in the description that will run it. So it will fail. So there's another command that you have to put in. Okay, we're going to right click, nano, we go to eula, we do true, Control X, Y, enter, and then we're just going to run the command again, the one before, so this one, no GY. Which will start the server. So as you guys can see, it's loaded. It does this because my computer's not that good. So we already know the IP because we typed it in here to get into here, which is, okay, so go to this, go to add server, call it whatever, do test or whatever, it doesn't really matter. So server address, which is what we put, so 192.168. It's whatever your computer that you're running this on IP is, which I think that is it. Yep, Minecraft server. You can join into it. It'll say I joined in. Okay. We are now connected onto the laptop. Do anything. Now leave that. Go here, so we do op, and then our username, _plays_16. So I opt myself, so now I could do whatever. So / game mode creative. Now I'm creative, obviously. If we want to stop the server, go back to here. Do stop. It's going to stop the server. It's going to say it failed. Crash. It won't do anything. So we're going to nano into properties so we can mess with the server a little bit. It's not even a .text. It's just server.properties. That is weird. Okay. Well, we want to change a couple of things. We want to go down to the bottom. We have motive. Okay. You can change it to whatever. So I'm just going to put my custom Minecraft server. Okay, you could change the view distance. So if we wanted to be like whatever 5 or whatever, so we can make it like not lag. It depends on what your server can allow. Port, you only change it if you want to change your port, which we're not port forwarding in this video because we don't need to. yeah, you can change difficulty to hard. Yeah, player idle timeout. I think this is a minute, so if we do like 1 minute maybe. I think it's in minutes. I'm not 100% sure. We'll figure it out. So yeah, not X, sorry, Control X. And we're just going to restart the server, which it won't take that long this time. It shouldn't take that long this time because it was already loaded once. So it just has to reload the data that was already loaded. Of course, this is a 1.16 server, so if you want it to not lag that much, you can do 1.12.2. I'll put a link to 1.12.2 server, or I'll put the code for in the description. So we're going to refresh, and this will be updated. Yep, my custom Minecraft server. Just gotta join. Okay, so that's pretty much how you make a Minecraft server on Linux or Ubuntu server. It's not hard at all. I'll put a couple more of the RAM allocated, so if you have like more RAM in your server that you wanted to allocate, which I could have, but I wasn't going to. And here's the render distance. I think we set it to 4 or 8, something like that. So here's the render distance doing its job, of course. So hey guys, if you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next one. See ya.